I'm back with another super cool idea. This is my new invention. This device can generate energy with Earth's gravity. But how does it work? This is the animation and this is the real prototype. In this video, I will review it completely and I make it. Please watch the video until the end after the explanation. I will show you the real prototype. The main material of this generator is piezoelectric. Piezoelectric are placed in a chamber. Between these two chambers receive the pressure force and convert it into electricity. And how is the compressive force produced? When the pendulum is rotating, when it completes the rotation and reach the bottom, the pendulum transfers the inertial force to the foundation, and this produces a compressive force. You can see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, and where does the power of the pendulum come from? Here we have an electric motor running at constant power, which is directly connected to the pendulum to supply the electricity required for this electric motor return to piezoelectric. Here we have to use a capacitor and an electric circuit that I have not applied in this design. So we have come full cycle. And if you think that this cycle is created, be sure to write your opinion in the comments and do not forget to subscribe. And let's go to make a real prototype. Except for the metal parts, all the parts are made with a 3D printer, a pendulum that uses a steel pin, a bushing, and a plastic connector, bearings on the axis of the pendulum, and these are the piezoelectric holders which are placed in it like this. The base of the foundation is placed on them. The axis is connected to the base of the pendulum. The pendulum shaft is placed in the bush. Connect the base to the piezo with glue. I connected to the piezoelectrics in parallel and made a simple circuit for it. By applying pressure, we can see the piezoelectrics produce electricity. I stick the pendulum to the foundation. When the pendulum swings, you see that electricity is generated. The foundation is very light and cannot be fixed on the table. I will glue it to a heavier wood foundation. This is the result. You can see the rotation of the pendulum and the piezoelectrics start to generate electricity. So far, the work has gone well, and what I explained in the animation has become a reality. I have made an electric motor for this device with a 3D printer that is suitable for the required voltage and power, and install a capacitor for it to store energy for a moment and reuse it. I have that this project will reach the final stage and I will upload the final video soon. I will put the video link in here. Be sure to check it for the final result. As always, I'd like to thank all of you for watching. I will see you in the next one.